Mikky from Invent with Mikky, and I'm really excited because it's near Christmas. So today's video is about Christmas time. So at Christmas you go over to your friend's house to have a party, and there's always bonbons. So today I'm going to make a bonbon, but it's not just a bonbon. Usually a bonbon or a Christmas cracker would have toys in it. This Christmas cracker is a toy itself. So we're going to be using cups and nails and extra toys and make a toy cup flyer out of our Christmas bonbon. So to start with, we're going to get 2 cups and tape them together. Oh, by the way, do you like my antlers? They make cool sounds. And cut. This is a toy cup flyer, but it's also my Christmas cracker. So I want to insert some party poppers, but I'll need to make some holes, and I'm going to do that by using a hot nail and a burner. Click. You got to turn it off, and now I'm going to get my cup and poke a hole through, nice and big. And now I'll need a second hole. And it's perfect. And now it's time to insert my party poppers. Party poppers are going to explode. And earlier I extended the string so it can fit through my cup. So this is the extended. Let's put it in. I'm gonna put the string into one of the holes that we just made. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna pull it through, but not too hard, otherwise it will explode. Too early. Now let's do the other one. So we're not gonna have it on the same side, obviously. We're going to put it in this way. And the second one has come through. Okay, my 2 party poppers are inserted into my Christmas cracker. Put in a balloon and a little toy rubber dinosaur that's sticky. We're going to attach 3 elastic bands because these are used to launch our toy cup flyers. If I can actually attach one. Yay! I'm going to put it in. Woo. And now, with all presents and gifts, you got to wrap them with wrapping paper. So I'm going to put my cup into here, into the wrapping paper, and make sure my strings are sticking out. Now I'm going to wrap up my Christmas cracker. And stick. Now I'm going to twist my ends to make it look cool. And my Christmas cracker is done. This is the final product. It's finally finished. But with all Christmas crackers, you need a partner. So, Dad, come help me. So, here's my Christmas cracker, Dad, and you're going to need to pull this string.
Okay, so
you ready?
What, you grab the paper?
Yes, you grab the paper and the string.
And we're going to pull. Okay, ready, set, whoa! Hey!
And wait!
Oh!
On the floor!
Oh!
There's
a little dinosaur!
A dinosaur! Woohoo. And my balloon.
Okay.
And now, where's my elastic band? We're going to unwrap the present. And find where, oh, there's elastic band.
Here's the elastic band.
Now this is a toy cup flyer.
Okay. Around? Like this?
Yes, you wrap it around.
Okay. And then, ready?
Make it fly!
Woo!
It works!
Fire!
So thanks for watching this video. I hope you had a good time and make your own Christmas cracker. Enjoy your Christmas. I hope you have a good time too. I'm definitely going to be using these Christmas crackers. Bye!